Ayan, good afternoon. Good afternoon po, Sir Norman. Okay, once again, good afternoon po, dear participants ng Digital Technician.
Sound check. Hello, sound test. Sound check. Hello, sound test.
Very clear, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir Art, good afternoon.
Hello, sound check. Hello, sound mic test. Mic sound test.
Okay, go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Sir Buen. Hello.
Okay,
Good afternoon,
sir.
Hello. Good afternoon, Sir Buen.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Dito naman tayo, Sir Art, para sa ating routine bawat Saturday. Umpisahan na nga ng maaga ngayon. Okay, dear participants, napakaganda po ng ating
good afternoon to our viewers. Kasama natin mga kasama natin ngayon sa ating YouTube channel. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Johnny Paul Portaliza. Good afternoon po. So sa ating mga teachers po dyan, we are inviting you to our free webinar this afternoon. Share na po sa ating mga friends, sa ating teachers, po marami po sa atin ang matuto, ang makatanggap ng blessing mula sa Microsoft, mula po sa ating mga vendors this third. Sir Buen, hello. Sir Buen, hello.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Let's invite first our viewers to subscribe our channel so that they will be get notified for our future events.
Muna yung mga kasama na natin sa Ma'am Annabelle, April Lab. Good afternoon po, Ma'am. Good afternoon. So sa mga viewers na po natin na nasa YouTube, comment your name and your location or your school if possible to be recognized. To be recognized. While waiting for Sir Buen. So si Ma'am Annabelle is from Lucena City. Ayan. So I am from Batangas. I am representing the Batangas. So yung mga culture ko and yung Batangas ko and Batangas ay hintay ko na mag-participate na join sa atin. Si Sir Burns from Cebu. Sir Burns forward na kasama natin yung mga team Cebu natin, yung mga team Cebu. We have participants also from other locations in the Philippines. And we have our countries from other countries. From Thailand. So good afternoon sa kanilang lahat. Good afternoon, Ma'am Espina. Ma'am Espina. Yan. So, Sir Ben, pakicheck mo ang ating live.
Kumusta po ang aking audio, sir? Hello, sir. Kumusta po ang aking audio?
Hello, Sir Ben. Okay ba tayo dyan? So, our DepEd po ngayon ay magpo-provide ulit ng webinar all about Microsoft.
Yan. So, dear participants, audio check po sa for a while ha. Ayan po, nakakuna pa rin po ba? Audio check po muna. May mga ano kasi nag-echo daw. So I hope okay na po ang audio natin. Okay, salamat. Okay, so okay na po ang audio natin. So again,
sa atin at si DepEd po yung nagbatang para sa atin. Baga ay benefits po na ating DepEd. Ano po? So hindi po yun sa ko ba nag-e-echo? So, kwentuhan ko muna sila. Ayaw mo magsalita. Okay po ba?
Okay, sir. Okay, so ang digital technician
ay
so
kumbaga kung meron pa po public pictures, kung meron pa po tayo hindi pa po gumamit ang kanilang Microsoft Office account ay nakakalungkot na point po yun dahil sabi ko provide na po si DepEd ng account ng Microsoft sa tapos ay sayang po yung panahon na hindi natin ginagamit at pumunta din sa team kasi hindi sinasabi ni DepEd kasi walang program si DepEd about the information regarding dun sa team nila. Kumbaga a lot of ways para malaman po natin kung ano this and isa po ito gagawin natin ngayon. Information drive puno po para days of August ang ating September of Microsoft. So with the digital technician up with a partnership with the team Mega Avengers. So buong Saturday ay topics na natin all about Microsoft. Sir Brent, hello. Ang dami ko nang nasabi. While we are waiting, kasama ang dami na natin kasama sa ating channel, YouTube channel. Good afternoon. Talagang echo. Mag-additional sa kanila habang lipat ako ng baka sa akin yung problem.
Okay, sir.
Baka sa akin yung problem.
Okay, once again, other participants, ang digital technician po ay composed of two provinces po na kung saan ang ating mga administrators po coming from Batangas, sina Sir Man at Sir Art. And ako naman po ay coming from Division of Cebu City po. Ito pong digital technician ay product po ng ADCO po. Ito po yung nagsimula muna. Bilang isa lang po ang administrator. Ako lang po yung administrator nung una po. Nag-iisa lang po. So ako po yung deliver ng topic, sumasagot, lahat ginagawa po. And since nakita ko na po na parang hindi na kaya ng powers ko, so I need partners. Okay. So kaya we met through online with Art and Sir Norman. So we're having these webinars for several months na po. And since nabuo na po ang aming pagkasama, ito po ang isa din sa iba naming advocate. So webinar for a cause. So webinar for a cause po ay
Hello, sir. Okay na ba?
Okay, sir. Again, ang webinar for a cause po ay ginawa namin ay we're extending our actions po para sa ating mga public schools po. So first po ay nakapagbigay tayo ng 54 bond papers sa Zapatira National High School. And secondly po, yan po ang school na tumanggap ng A4 size bond papers. And pangalawa po ay ang Lian National High School. So yung Zapatira National High School po ay ang school ko po. Tapos yung Lian National High School ay ang school ni na Sir Norman at Sir Art. So with the help of good Samaritans po, so yan, may naliko na kaunting grasya. Yan, ipinahagip din po namin sa mga schools kung kami nagtuturo. So at least nakapagbigay ng kaunting tulong. And we're extending our helping hands to other schools if there's someone there out there na willing makasupport sa aming so it's another side of our advocacy po. Aside from offering free webinars, we also do this for sa katuwang ng mga guro. So maibigay po depende sa makuha naming mga donations. Okay? And then bilang part din po ng pagpapalakas ng aming mga services.
Oh yes, sir.
Sige, go ahead, Sir Art.
Okay, so yan. So dahil po sa people na sumusuporta sa may mga na sumusuporta, may mga good Samaritans po ay marami po tayo natutulungan.
Right. And having that said po, we also expanding our service just like partnering with other institutions. So we're partnering with Institute of Global Professionals po na kung saan po this coming September 11 mayroon po kaming talk po kaming tatlo sa Institute of Global Professionals. Okay. So ito po ito po muna yung aking mga kasamahan. Okay. So unang-una nakuha ni na Sir Arturo E and ang weekly school po. So napabilang na po ang Lian National High School sa weekly school. Okay? Kasama po si Sir Norman B. Leynes po ni Sir Art. Okay? So these actions purpose lang po ay matulungan din ang ating mga mag-aaral, ang ating paaralan para makapag-cope up sa mga makabasic tools na pwede makapag-support sa learning process. Sir Art? I-inform ko lang po, yung lugar pala ni Sir Norman ay may problema ngayon sa internet connection. So nag-down yung system nila sa internet connection. Kaya po minsan ay makapasok, minsan mawala si Sir Art since cellphone lang po ang gamit niya. Okay? Okay, but nevertheless po gawa ang lahat na may taguyod natin ang success para sa webinar na ito. Okay? Yan. And two birds in one stone din po ako. I'm also attending my masteral class po ngayon. Okay? So while nakikinig sa masteral class, nag-report ng aking mga kasamahan at ito po pilit na itaguyod yung success to. Okay, wala pong problema. Okay. And also for my co-administrators and me, nakuha po na Ruby Educator Level 2 na kung saan po ang purpose naman ito ay ng mga software or tools in terms of creativity po. Okay? So of that, this afternoon 5:30 to 7:30 may Adobe Photoshop po tayo webinar. Again, 5:30 to 7:30. Okay, and also congratulate also to my co-administrator. So, nakapasa po kami bilang Microsoft Education Ambassadors program po, aspiring po. Okay? So, me and Sir Norm, Sir Art. Yun lang ang program po. Di pa po nakuha ni Sir Norman. Better luck next time po. Okay? Okay? So yan po ang ginagawa ng administrators po sa Digital Nation. Okay? Ito namin po maging stagnant. Ayan. So, I hope nandyan si Sir Art. Okay. So this afternoon, without further ado po, we will introduce our guest speaker. But before anything else, so mga speaker natin sa hapong ito ay mga Microsoft Education Ambassadors po from DepEd Philippines. So ang tawag po sa group nila ay Mia Avengers po. So sabihin po, ang Digital Technician ay may partnership with Mia Avengers po. So this set of personalities are well trained, okay? So equipped with technical skills po. Okay? So di po basta-basta makukuha po ang pagiging Microsoft Education Ambassadors. Okay? So mga Mia Avengers po ang makakatin for the month of August and September. Okay? Meaning all Saturdays po, since ang routine po ng Digital Technician ay every Saturday 5:30 to 7:30. But in the case of Mia Avengers po, that's 1 to 4. Okay, so loaded po ang Saturdays natin. So, ang akma po, since coming po ang ating school year, 2021 to 2022, in preparation po para sa ating papasok na school year. Okay? So, again, Digital Technician, nag-offer po ng mga free webinars po. Okay? Help of mga invited guest speakers po. Okay? So, our guest speaker this afternoon, okay, again, guest speaker po na this afternoon ay dalawa po. Okay? Walang iba po ay sina Ma'am Edna E. Miranda and Sir Arian M. Idoliantes. Okay? So, para mabigyan po tayo ng slide overview magiging topic po nila. Okay? Let us all welcome Ma'am Edna and Sir Arian. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. Kumusta?
Hello, I'm okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi
So,
ba
mabuti po
na-echo?
yan, ma'am. Audio check po muna tayo.
Yeah. What's wrong with this?
So, if meron po itong mga second devices, so lower lang natin yung volume. Mag-i-echo po yan.
Naka-silent.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, how about Sir Arian? Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so our participants is equally represented from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay, so we have from Luzon area, Visayas area, and Mindanao area. Okay, lalo-lalo na po sa mga friends o mga kakilala ng ating guest speaker natin ngayon. They're coming from DO, Cagayan de Oro po. Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am, once again.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
May, may ikaw pa rin?
May ikaw pa rin?
Mhm.
So what to do?
So what to do?
Um, hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am, once again.
Okay, good
Okay, good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Okay. So,
Ma'am.
you can turn on your camera, ma'am, if you want, ma'am. At least makita ng mga viewers natin. Yan.
Okay. Hello, ang dami nila. Okay na? Okay na, no?
Okay.
Okay, thanks God.
Good afternoon, ma'am Yudna.
Good afternoon.
Okay. So, siguro, ma'am, introduce po muna natin yung sarili natin, ma'am. So, again, our guest speaker this afternoon, okay, sa unang yugto po ay si Ma'am Edna. Okay, go ahead, Ma'am Edna.
Hello, everyone! From the city of Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro City, Edna Estoquia Miranda, ang inyong lingkod. Kumusta kayong lahat? Oh,
Okay.
may shout out sa mga friends ko na nagsusuporta, yung mga Cagayan de Oro po, at sa lahat ng parte ng Pilipinas. Okay. So, okay lang po ba ang lahat? I hope everyone is doing well. Alam ko na life is a bit harder today kasi pandemic tayo.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. Hey,
ready na
Sir
po ba?
Aryan?
Sir
Sir Aryan.
Aryan.
Yes, sir. Yes, hello, sir. Hi. Hello,
Hey.
everyone.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Good
Okay,
afternoon
introduce
po.
natin ang sarili natin, Sir Aryan.
Yes, hello, everyone. My name is Aryan Idoliantes. Same with Mom Edna. I'm from the division of Cagayan de Oro City. So, hopefully today we will learn a lot.
Yes.
And we are trying our best to impart our knowledge on our topic today. So, just keep watching, guys.
Okay,
Laban lang.
thank you, sir. So again, dear participants, ang ginawa po natin ay ano po, iniakpa mo natin sa ating mga nakukuha mga benefits po coming from DepEd, and one of which is yung mga Microsoft account po. So para ma-maximize po natin yung paggamit ng Microsoft account, ay ito po ang isa sa way na ginawa natin. Kasi di lahat ng mga teachers ay maabutan ng mga ganong pamamaraan po paano natin matutunan. Lalong-lalo na sa terrain na ating tinitirahan, siguro malayo tayo sa malalakas na signal sa internet. Okay? Or kung mag-training mo po tayo within our division, sometimes it's so hard po sa time natin. So ito mas maganda na po to, nasa bahay lang tayo, and with the free webinars and also from unselfish service po ng ating mga speakers this afternoon. So again, they are Microsoft Education Ambassadors po na very willing po na tumulong sa atin paano matutunan po ang ating Microsoft para sa ating mga kabataan and also sa kaganda ng ating teaching profession. Okay,
Yes.
so again, si Sir Art at si Norman, again, parang may problema sa internet.
It's okay. No problem po.
Okay. Go ahead, sir.
So, okay na po ba?
Sige, ma'am. Take it away,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So, again, good afternoon. Hindi na natin patagalin para at least marami tayong matutunan ngayong araw na ito. Okay. So, again, Edna Miranda po from the Division of Cagayan de Oro City. May trainer po ako since 2000 15. Okay. So I am so proud and I am so thankful with DigiField Tech Nation. Alam ko that this is their vocation, no, to share a free webinar to the teachers or to the learners as well in the Philippines. At sila din ay nasa DepEd at I know laking tulong nito dahil dito din sa Cagayan de Oro, I've been training siguro mga 1,000 plus educators and hindi lahat pa nakakuha ng account ng Office 365 at sayang kasi nga sabi ni Sir kanina na libre po ito ng DepEd sa atin. At itong account na binigay sa atin ay paid po, paid. Meaning binabayaran nila. Okay, hindi po siya free. Pero binigay ni DepEd sa atin. Okay. So, I can see the comments, but let me ask everyone here, sino na sa atin na nagamit na nila ang kanilang Microsoft 365? Okay. Sir Art or Sir Aryan, you can update me with their answers. Okay. So lahat na kaya ang 932,000 of DepEd personnel sa Pilipinas ay nagkaroon na ba, nagagamit na ba nila, na-maximize na ba nila ang kanilang Microsoft 365 or previously called as Office 365? Okay? So, anybody, lahat na ba meron? Yung mga anak ninyo, yung mga estudyante ninyo, from kinder to senior high school, meron na kanila? May nahawakan na ba sila na account, na permanent account or Microsoft 365 account? Update po, sir? Okay? Siguro, I assume kung ilan tayo ngayon, siguro nasa 80% ang meron. Sana, no? 80%. Okay. So, hindi na natin patagalin. My topic for today is an overview of the Microsoft 365. So, I know that in Cagayan de Oro, I've been training a lot. I've been visiting schools and other, even in far places, just to spread Microsoft 365. Me as a Maya, ano kami may promise kami na we will share talaga the Microsoft productivity to everyone. Okay? So, I know na it is very timely dahil next year nga dito sa Cagayan de Oro we will have that bicronus modality. So mag-o-online na yung iba naman asynchronous at saka synchronous. So kailangan na natin yung account natin. Okay. So, what is Microsoft 365? So, I know ang iba, alam na nila ito. Formerly Office 365. It is a line of subscription services offered by Microsoft that offers well-known application. So, naka-highlight siya. Well-known application, ito talaga yung product ng Microsoft. Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Based on the subscription selected, users can get cloud storage. Again, naka-highlight, cloud storage, advanced security, and various Microsoft application. Okay. So bakit formerly Office 365? It was for a long time, for a very long time, yung Microsoft po, they are fan of selling box, what do we call that? Box software. Meaning, kung bibili ka ng laptop noong 1980s or 1970s, yung device mo ay may naka-install na software. Okay. Palagay natin Office 2010, Office 2013, Office. Pero yung Microsoft, nakita nila na the Adobe ay nag-change na into subscription. So ang kanila dati, yung ano lang talaga, yung example, Office 2013, yun lang talaga. If ever masira yung laptop mo or device mo, you cannot get the license na encode mo doon or yung key na license na nabili mo doon sa bangketa or saan pa, hindi mo yun magagamit. So, kung mamamatay na po yung device natin, pati yung binili natin na Office na mamatay rin. So nakita yan ni Microsoft niya, yung Adobe nga, yung Photoshop, di ba nag-stop na sila nag-sell ng mga box software. Ngayon ay nag-ano na rin sila ng subscription. That is why si Microsoft sumunod na rin siya. So nag-launch sila ng Office 365 noong August 2017 at binago nila yung pangalan na Microsoft 365. Bakit? Joke lang ito ha. Sabi nila, kasi pandemic ngayon, wala nang trabaho sa office, sa bahay na, work from home. Yun ang sabi nila. But it was a joke. Okay, so before going further, let us watch this.
Imagine if you could empower the students of today to create the world of tomorrow. Harness the power of technology to bring what once seemed impossible into reach.
I believe all children want to learn. It's just a matter of adults trying to find an avenue or a vehicle to get them to that place.
Technology is transforming the classroom, and it's changing the way we teach, learn, connect.
Hello.
Imagine if the most important parts of your school were connected. Students, teachers, and classrooms, empowering everyone to create, to collaborate, to achieve more. From meeting the diverse needs of all students, to improving graduation rates and efficiently managing your schools.
We had a graduation rate of 55%, which is shameful. And through this tracking and relentless use of data, I announced last month that it's at 82.6%. That's remarkable.
Introducing Microsoft 365 Education, designed to empower educators and students to unlock their creativity, to easily connect and work together in and out of the classroom, to make it easier to deploy and manage affordable classroom devices, and to provide always-on security to help keep your school's data safe. Simple changes can ignite transformation. You know what works, so let us help you build it. This is Microsoft 365 Education. Together, we can embrace what's next.
Wow, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng trailer ng Microsoft 365. Okay, to transform the Okay. So ito ang sabi ko kanina na box software. Sino ang guilty nito? Sinong nakabili ng ganito? Or minsan naman ay makabili tayo ng gusto ko yung Word lang 2016. Yun ang nakabili ako niyan sa Limkit kay dati. Okay? Or gusto ko yung Excel lang na 2016. Okay. So, 'di ba? Ganito ang dati na for a long time ito ang binibenta ni Microsoft hanggang nakita nila si Adobe or ibang mga products na nag-subscription na. So from the word 365, it means subscription of a year, right? So it is a subscription of a year. Huwag nyo na lang pong isali yung leap year ha. So 365. So mga halimbawa nitong mga back software ay Office 2010, Office 2013. So in 2017, August ng 2017, they changed, they switched, they gather, they put together all the apps. Example, the Word, the Excel in one package, and that is Microsoft 365, and that is the topic all about today. Okay? So, para sabihin ninyo na hindi ako nagsinungaling, I have an evidence here. We have a free Microsoft 365 for all DepEd regular employees and public school learners. Private school, saka students, don't worry, I have a good news for you. You are somebody else, liban sa DepEd or sa private school, okay, wait din kasi may good news ako sa inyo. So, the Office of the Undersecretary of Administration, nag-release po siya ng memo na 000820-0130, the release of the Microsoft 365. Okay? So, basahin ko lang ha. The Department of Education continues with its aim of improving governance by providing tools that promote a culture of collaboration, communication, and improve performance of tasks. With this, the Department of Education provide employees, teachers, and students with access to 21st century tools that support education and its delivery. Included in the online education package are tools for email, productivity, and collaboration. Users will have access to the following tools: G Suite for Education. Ito yung DepEd email natin. So, di ba? Lahat tayo may DepEd email. So, kapag bagong pasok sa DepEd, the ITO will ask the school ICT coordinator to give the name so that mabigyan po sila ng DepEd email. After that, your Microsoft 365 account ay gagawin na din at naibigay na nasa lahat na matagal na sa serbisyo or nasa public school. At hindi lang po yan. Sinabi dito na hindi lang po teachers or yung mga employees from the regional to the division and the schools, kundi pati din mga learners. So, last, I think, October or November, dumating po sa school namin, kasi ako ang ICT coordinator ng school namin, dumating po ang 1,151 na account ng mga learners. Ngayon, bakit 1,151 lang? Kasi the total of our end of the school year report last time is 1,300 something. Bakit 1,150 lang yung na-receive ko? And then, nalaman ko sa guidelines po na yung unang release ng mga account ng mga bata ay dapat natag ang kanilang LESF or Learner Enrollment Survey Form noong June hanggang August 7, 17 or something like that. Pero ang iba kasi nating mga kasamahan ng mga guro, I know hindi naka-attend ngayon sila. Ang iba kasi ay hindi nila natag yung mga previous learners nila. Ang mga reasons ay hindi makontak, hindi na-lockdown daw sa ibang lugar. So, yun ang dahilan po kung yung mga ICT coordinator na nandito ngayon na nagtataka, bakit ang closing namin na enrollment is 1,3. Bakit 1,1 lang yung dumating na mga accounts sa mga learner? Tapos tiningnan ko, yun sila ang wala, hindi natag ng teacher po. So sayang, di ba? So this time, paglabas po ng LESF, yung enrollment form, please, teachers, I am appealing to you that we will tag our previous pupils or learners. Kasi hindi ka magtatag sa LIS po ng LESF kung hindi mo dating estudyante, 'di ba? So meaning ikaw may SF1 ka last school year, so at least may contact ka sa kanila. Call them and then ask them ano ang gusto mong modality. 'Di ba? Yun lang naman ang hinihingi na anong grade ka magpa-enroll, saan ka mag-aaral. Kahit hindi sila mag-aaral sa ating school, dapat pa rin itag natin sila. So ating obligasyon po na itag natin ang ating estudyante, sariling estudyante. Example, I am handling grade 6 now. I am handling grade 6. So ang grade 6 po na mga bata ko mismo na 28, yun po ay itatag ko. Sakaling lalabas na yung guidelines. Okay, lalabas na yung guidelines. Okay, so again, sabi ng ITO dahil nag-ask ako, bakit ito lang ang dumating? Bakit may ibang bata na wala siyang permanent account? Sabi ng IT po, don't worry, my second batch pa darating ngayong December ata yun. Pero hanggang ngayon wala pa po. Pero we will just wait. Yung mga transfer din na from other private school or other school, siyempre yun sila, natag na yun doon sa kanilang school. From public school. But yung mga private school, wait lang kayo dahil makatanggap din yung mga bata natin, yung mga anak natin. Isa na ako dyan kasi yung grade 8 ko na anak ay nilipat ko po from private school to public school. So I know wala pa pong account yung anak ko. So siguro second batch. Okay? So I hope na wala kayong problem like this. At bakit hindi ko pa nabigay? Bakit hindi namin nagibigay sa mga bata? Kasi sabi ng school head namin, baka kung mawala lang, baka hindi nila ma-activate. 'Di ba sabi pag ma-release na magawa na after 90 days po, 3 months, di ba? After 90 days ay mag-i-expire na yung password nila, yung temporary password. Even teachers, mag-i-expire na siya. Ano ang mangyari? Yung si ICT coordinator at si ITO, lalong bibigat yung trabaho. Bakit? Kami po ang magre-reset. Imagine, I will be resetting the 1,151 sa inyo, yung malalaking school, malalaking central school. Ilan kaya yung kasi binigyan na kami ng guidelines paano gawin ang pag-reset sa mga learners account, di ba? So much to that. Let us move forward. Remember all regular employees and public school learners. So private school, wag nang magselos, mamaya na ang para sa inyo. Okay, next. Okay, let us see. Sabi ng boss, nako, 21st century na, pero nagta-typewriter ka pa rin. Sabi niya ganyan. So, nag-adapt siya ng change. Tingnan mo, na-computer na siya. Pero ayan, okay. So, sana mga teachers, tayo ay mag-a-adapt na talaga. Wala tayong magawa kasi ang modality ngayon ay dapat online na or blended. Dapat gagamit na din tayo, di ba? At saka may productivity tools na binigay sa atin. Okay. So again, I'm talking about productivity tools. Every time magti-training po ako, I will ask this. Sabi nila, sabi ko, ano ang productivity? So sabi ng iba, PEI yan, Productivity Enhancement Incentive. Okay, bonus yan. Ano pa? Product daw. Ano pa? Ano daw siya? Yung output. Okay. But for Microsoft and for DepEd, productivity means doing anything, something, everything in a short period of time. Okay, di ba coming ang inset natin this coming September, may nalabas na mga matrix. So if your school head will ask you, pwede ba ikaw ang gagawa ngayon ng matrix kasi ikaw ang chairman? Okay. Sige, yes ma'am. Pero ma'am, pwede ba after 3 months ko pa magagawa, mabibigay sa'yo? Kasi ma'am, mag-invite pa ako ng speaker, ma'am, tapos mag-ano pa ako, ma'am, magsusulat pa ako, ma'am, magagamit pa ako ng sketch paper, ma'am, tapos ganito, ang mga rason po. Oh my goodness. So my productivity, may product nga, pero iwan ko lang sa activity. Di ba? Okay, so again, productivity is doing anything, something, everything in a short period of time. That's productivity. Yung marami kang magagawa. Okay, so noon, alam natin na ganyan. Pero look at this. Okay, hanggang ngayon, parang nag-improve na, nag-develop na. What about, did you ask yourself, how about 30 years from now? Baka kung i-touch lang natin yung wall, ay lalabas na yung video natin, di ba? So, from now on, as early as this, we will use these office productivity tools para at least ma-ready na tayo sa later happenings, di ba? Next, work-life balance. Kahit productive tayo in a day, in a whole year, natapos natin ang LDM natin, mga IPSRF, at lahat-lahat na, hindi natin kalimutan ang work-life balance. Meaning, kahit gumagawa ka ng matrix, yung mo naman, yung kapitbahay mo naman ay naglilinis ng iyong yung nagpipedicure, ganyan. Yan ang work-life balance. Or nagpapatina ka ba ng buhok sa anak mo at the same time you're doing your report, okay, yan. Work-life balance, 50-50, hindi po 30-70 para ang health natin maalagaan. Next, work-life integration. Ito, work-life integration. May kakilala ako na ang kanyang anak, kasi malapit lang yung school niya sa bahay niya, yung anak daw niya, pagkagising sa umaga, hindi pwede na, tapos mag-i-excuse siya dahil uuwi talaga siya para magpakita sa kanyang anak. Bakit hindi natin i-integrate work-life integration? May cellphone na naman tayo, di ba? Why not be call? So, kahit nasa school ka, you can integrate pa rin yung work at saka life by using the gadget na nandyan sa atin. Okay? So, again, i-integrate natin. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Microsoft 365. Okay. So, ano ba ang Microsoft 365? Bakit ba may ibang division na mayroon na silang lahat? Bakit tayo wala pa? Okay, sige. Okay, so akala ko sa science lang merong periodic table. But ang Office 365 ay may periodic table din siya. Composed of different apps. May apps para sa emailing, sa chat, yung sa data, at sa presentation. Marami. Yung nakikita niyo dyan na included yan sa package na binili ni DepEd sa Microsoft para sa atin teachers. Mahal tayo ng DepEd, pati na rin yung mga anak natin, kahit kinder, di ba, meron? Okay, so, marami yan. Tapos, yung pinaka-importante na gamit para sa modality natin ngayon, ay i-explain po every Saturday ng mga kasamahan ko. Marami po kami. So, do not miss every Saturday 1 to 4 DigiFeel Tech Nation po. I-subscribe mo na at saka i-like mo na at i-click mo yung notification para every Saturday hindi mo ma-miss ito. Kasi i-explain nila ito one by one. Ang sa akin lang po ay overview ng 365. Okay? So, it's always up to date. Okay. Ang 365 po ay up to date. Every time po mag-update siya. Yung binili natin na example, if you have that one, yung 1980s pa or 1970s, pa. May laptop ka na singbigat ng isang sakong bigas na laptop. Parang mayroon akong ganyan eh. Tapos may ano naman siya, may original naman siya na office, walang problema. Pero yung na-install na office sa iyong device, kahit pa mamamatay na po yung device mo kasi naging 10 taon na po siya na nagsaservisyo sa'yo, yung license po noon ay talagang hindi mo na makukuha. At as in, use na po siya. Pero si 365, yung example, may Microsoft Teams kasi ang 365, di ba? Yung Microsoft Teams dati po ay 250 lang po yung makaka-attend ng meeting. Okay? Ngayon po, after 2 months, after 3 months, ay nagdagdag po sila, nagiging 350 na po. So yun ang ibig kong sabihin ng update ng Microsoft. Pero ang update ay doon lang sa mga subscriber ng 365. Yun ang ibig kong sabihin na it's always up to date. Whereas yung, kasi may, in the market now, nag-search ako kagabi, meron pa ring bibili or nagbibinta ng one-time license, 'di ba? May nakabili na siguro dito sa may friend ako, may experience ako, tumatawag siya sa akin kasi akala niya talaga yung ICT coordinator daw ako kasi eh. Sabi niya, "Hello, bibili ako ng laptop. Dalawa yung offer." Anong dalawa? Ang isa 15,000 lang. Okay, ngayon basahin mo ang specs, so binasa niya. And then yung isa naman, the same lang siya, pero 21,000. So ask ko, bakit 21,000 yung isa na the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Specs nila. Kasi yung isa daw may 5 natin. So alam ko, so sabi ko sa kanya, bilhin mo yung 15, yun nga, kinabukasan, dinala niya doon sa ICT Lab, at yun, ni-install ko yung kanyang account. Tuwang-tuwa siya, di ba? Okay, I hope you experience the same, na kung bibili ka, wag na yung mahal, okay? Okay, it's always up to date. Basta may internet lang. Yung Word, example, Microsoft Word, alam nyo ba na ang Microsoft Word ay may calculation na? Okay? Ang pagkakaalam ko ay sa Excel lang. Pero nag-update siya every time. Every time nag-update siya. So automatic po, pag ng signal ng internet po yung device mo, automatic din yung ang latest update ng Microsoft ay mapupunta sa iyo. Wow, di ba? Ang galing. Next, it's on all your device. Okay. Naalala ko nga yung laptop ko na singbigat ng isang sakong gas. Type yung ko. Doon ko tinype ang aking listahan, to-do list sa aking laptop. Tapos pupunta ako ng market para bibili ng palagay natin groceries. Tapos ang listahan ko na naiwan ko. Pero dito sa 365, kahit doon mo sinulat sa device mo, sa laptop mo sa bahay, at may signal ka lang, pumunta ka doon sa grocery, nakasync po yun lahat. Doon sa laptop mo, doon sa mobile phone mo, doon sa tablet mo, at makikita mo yung sinulat mo doon sa iyong device sa bahay. Yan. It's on all your device. Wow, galing talaga ni 365. Next, it's your great work in the cloud. Ang cloud kasi parang malita natin, invisible malita. Na kahit saan ka pupunta, kung pupunta ka pa ng Manila, yung lahat na gusto mong buksan or tingnan or basahin, ay nandyan siya. Kasi ang 365, ginawa nila na better siya in the cloud. Okay, in the internet. Okay, and Microsoft is here for you. Okay, I have an experience with this. I am accepted as a fully Maya in 2015. Ang ginawa ko kasi excited, may nagalaw ako sa device ko and hindi ko na siya maayos. So, may sinabi naman sila na contact us, please contact us. So, nag-message ako. Sabi ko, I have a problem with this, my account like this. And I gave my number. And you know, in a while, may tumawag. Sabi niya, hello, this is Jandu from Microsoft Singapore. Nako, sabi niya, can you allow me to manipulate your device? So, ganun na ba yun? Tapos, yes, I will. So, may nag-appear po sa yung i-allow mo siya. Tapos, nag-sign ako. Tapos, parang may ghost yung yung device ko. Siya na ang nag-manipulate. At to make the story short, naayos talaga niya yun. Okay? So, ang Microsoft po, willing kung may problema. Kung hindi makontak si ICT coordinator, kung hindi niyo makontak ako, or si ITO hindi makontak, huwag kang iiyak. Tingnan mo yung dashboard mo, tapos nandoon ang mga contact nila or email or phone or whatever. Okay, next. So again, how to log in? Kasi mayroon na akong 365 pero hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin. So mag 2 years na hindi ko alam paano, okay? You just go to office.com. Kung sino ngayon ang nasa bahay at tapos may another device ka na ginagamit, you can follow me. Go to office.com and mag-get office kung marami sa mayaman ka, get office kasi may babayaran doon. Pero kung meron ka ng account, sign in na agad. Okay? Yung mga private school at mga student sa private school later on. I have eggs for you. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ayan, kaunting technical problem lang po. Balik po muna tayo sa ating chat box. Good afternoon po and welcome po sa the GFL Technician. Mga students po coming from Polytechnic University of the Philippines po, coming from different branches or campuses nila po. Okay? So they are 21 students in all na pumasok sa ating webinar ngayon. And also si Ruben from Thailand. Good afternoon. Okay. And Yusuf coming from Dasmariñas, Cavite, teacher Belen. Then we have Ma'am Espina. Okay, so again, pamanhin po dear participants, biglang naputol po ang ating speaker siguro due to internet connection. Again, these are one of the common problems na di natin kontrolado. Okay? So, yan, kaya po nagbakin ako just to in po sa time. Okay? So, fair activities tayo. Don't worry Sir Art, Ma'am Edna, okay lang po yan. Okay? So very naman yung mga participants natin. Okay? So lahat naman po naka-experience po ng mga ganong situation. Lalo na sa oras na ito po, maraming gumagamit. Okay? Okay. Again, our participants are equally represented from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and some other participants coming from countries outside the Philippines po. Okay, just like Sir Ruben de los Santos from Thailand. Good afternoon, Sir Ruben, and kumusta po ang Thailand ngayon? Dito po sa Philippines ay lumubo na naman yung COVID cases namin. Okay? Sana lang po makayanan po ito. Okay? So, laban lang po. And also, strictly observe minimum health standards po. Okay? Kahit OA na po para sa iba, cover po. Mas safe lang yung pamilya natin. Kasi nasa study po, common na nakikitang reason ay dalawa, workplace and household. Doon po nanggaling yung malaking problema sa COVID cases. Lalo na yung mga working family members na mapasok lumalabas sa bahay. Okay? Okay, so hindi po tayo magpadala sa global health crisis po natin. Okay? Okay. Again, if you have some questions, clarifications, or any concerns, let us maximize our chat box po para makita po natin yung mga katanungan. At least masagot po ng ating mga speakers. Okay? For a while, ma'am. Ayan. Good afternoon, ma'am. Once again. Okay lang po yan, ma'am.
Hello.
Ayan po.
So, nawala ako.
Nawala po, ma'am, bigla.
Okay.
Welcome back, Ma'am Edna. Okay na, Ma'am Ed.
Ano ba?
Yes. You may proceed.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, at last. Okay. So, okay. Dito na lang ako kasi yung Naku, siguro it's in my end. Okay. So, again,
Yes, ma'am.
welcome back to me. You enter your registered Microsoft account, the 365. Tapos, am I okay?
Yes, ma'am. Proceed, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, ma'am.
Okay pa ba?
Yan. Kapasok rin.
Hello?
Go ahead, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
Okay. So, after that one, okay, thank you. Do not skip the verification process, di ba? Pag sinabing ayaw mo noong security question, go to mobile phone. Kung ayaw mo naman, baka mawala, baka nakawin yung cellphone mo, go to email. Ang ibigay mo yung G Suite mo, yung deep.gov.ph, okay? Para lang kung sakaling malimutan mo yung yung password mo, hindi ka nalalapit doon sa division or sa ICT ko or mo para naman mag-self-reset ka na. Kaya do not po skip verification process. Okay? Next. Ayan. So kung nakapasok ka na dito sa ating dashboard, the Microsoft 365 dashboard, hindi nagtatapos dyan. This is the online version of Office 365. You can use directly the apps here provided you have internet connection. So nakita ninyo dito, sa akin po itong aking account po ito. Tapos ito po ang mga app na libre po Microsoft 365 na binili ni DepEd sa Microsoft at binigay sa atin ng libre. So ayan, may Word ako na sa desktop natin. I mean sa dashboard natin, may Excel, may PowerPoint, may Outlook. Pero this is the online version. Kung mag-click ka ng isang apps ngayon dyan, example Excel, tapos magtatrabaho ka at i-share mo doon sa kabila sa iyong kasamahan, tapos nai-edit siya, it is real time, di ba? Sa web tayo nagtatrabaho. But sakaling limited po yung internet connection natin na every time na gusto kang magtatrabaho ng mga app, ay doon ka sa dashboard mo, ay mag-install ka na. Para hindi ka na para ka desktop apps ka. Okay? So pwede mong i-install. Paano ba mag-install? Okay. So ito may sa upper right corner, may install Office. Dalawa po siya. Ang una po Office 365 apps. Yung kasama na pinaka-importante po ay nandyan na po lahat. Yung like example yung Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, OneDrive, yan, mai-install na yan kung gusto mo. And yung pangalawa naman, kung sakaling gusto mo ng yung may ibang kasing hindi na i-install nung first So kung gusto mo high-tech ka, tapos gusto mo no yung ibang pwede yung pangalawa. Okay, next. You click lang ng install, tapos ay magda-download po na installer, tapos i-click mo lang yung set up, tapos click run, tapos yes, tapos stay online, yun lang. Okay? So stay at magluto ka ng banakyo, at tapos naghihintay ka na hanggang itong orange na ito ay mapupuno po ito siya. Tapos kasi doon ako nag-i-install ng first office ko doon sa Great Eastern Hotel during the training. It took me 7 hours. Remember that? Remember yung mga kan ko 7 hours kasi daming gumagamit ng internet. So depende yan, please will take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Pero yung student ko po na nag-set up kanyang device, 25 minutes lang. Ang iba naman 15 minutes. Depende talaga yung sa city. So if you are done, then it will appear like this. You are all set. Office is installed now. Pwede kang pupunta dito sa start menu. Tapos makikita mo may bagong mga apps na makikita ka. Iyon ay mga Office 365 apps na. Next. Okay, pero hindi pa nagtatapos doon. After installation, sign in with your account to activate Microsoft Office. So, yung mga natitrade ko, after the installation, kasi hindi ko ito nasali. Sabi mo Teacher Eds na after installation, okay na. Bakit yung Microsoft Word ko, may nakalagay doon na Office is not activated. Kasi nalimutan ko pala, sorry ha. So ngayon, after installation, you choose one of the apps. O sige, ang sa akin ay Word. Pwede kang Excel, pwede yung PowerPoint, or pwede itong Microsoft Word. Pumili ka ng isang app, i-open mo, at saka sign in po. May sign in po sa Word, dyan sa taas na bahagi. So, right corner. Tapos, i-click mo yan, lalabas po ito. I-sign in mo uli yung kaninang pagpasok mo sa iyong 365 com. Okay? Tapos, choose ka work or school account ba yun? At finally, enter your password for your Microsoft account. And then, congratulations, your Microsoft Office 365 software is now activated with your license. So, paano pa malaman na activated na talaga? Wala na talagang aberya. Yung Word mo, or yung PowerPoint mo, may pangalan mo na nakalagay doon. Oh, yun! Yan, installed na yan at saka activated pa. Okay? So now, how about Microsoft 365 for student account? Diba sabi ko kanina, dumating ang lahat na account ng mga bata ng North Central School. So, ang student account ko ay LRN based at saka at tenant. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng tenant? Ang tenant, kasi ang office, ang binili ni DepEd na package po ay sa lahat na ng 132 personnel. Tapos, I think 26 million yung mga learners natin from kinder to senior high school. Imagine kung ibuo nila yan, isang ano lang, dipit.gov.ph lang, baka sasabog. Kaya ang ginawa po ng dipit ni Microsoft ay inano niya ng tenant, separate niya ng tenant. So ano ang tenant natin? Yung region natin. Halimbawa sa akin, Edna.Guapa at R10. R10, kasi region 10 ako. R10.dip.gov.ph. Yun po. Yun ang ating Office 365. At yung ano naman, yung sa mga bata naman po, ay LRN base siya. So, LRN ang bata, walang, may pangalan sa listahan. Pero dyan, makikita mo ang mga LRN na kanilang 365 account, wala po siyang pangalan. Pero pag open po, the same process po sa atin kanina, sa mga teachers or sa mga personnel, the same process po. Paano? Mag-login sila, mag-sign in sila sa office.com, tapos after installing, ma-activate sila ng isang app, tapos yun na yun. May dashboard na rin sila. Okay? So, hindi po, naipagpalit natin yung mga LRN. Ngayon, yung mga grade 6 namin na mayroon na silang LRN, Microsoft 365, tapos nag-graduate na sila, anong gagawin? So, may nag-question kasi sa akin ng ganyan. So, it is our duty, mga teachers, yung ICT coordinator, talagang ibigay natin yan. Kaysa isang buhay niya, sa pag-aaral niya, kasi LRN based kasi siya, isa lang talaga ang ibibigay sa kanya. Kaya please, kung may ways kayo to contact them, ibigay sa kanila. Okay, ma'am, yung LRA, yung Microsoft 365 ng bata mo ay naiiwan dito, you come here and then you claim this one. Okay? So hindi po natin pwedeng i-post doon sa sa wall natin. Okay, yung kukuha ng module, i-picture niyo yung password at saka yung ng anak niyo. Pwede ba 'yun? Hindi pwede 'yun ha, kasi makikita nila 'yun. Remember, na license po ito, okay? So, 6,000 yung isa. Imagine. Okay, next. Sa amin pala sa North City Central School, again, hindi pa po namin na ma-release sa mga bata. So, I'll take charge of that na ipapasa ko doon kung mag-high school na sila. Bakit hindi pa namin? Kasi dapat i-orient natin ang mga parents paano gagamitin. Kahit virtual na lang. Kasi kung hindi, baka mawala sa kanila, di ba? Okay, I hope you learn something about this. Next, ngayon, yung promise ko kanina, get Office 365 free for your entire school, non-DepEd. Hindi non-DepEd, kasi DepEd din ang private, di ba? Non-public pala, non-public, okay? So, sorry about that. So, may kakilala ko, yung anak niya ay nag-aaral sa Orius University, if I'm not wrong, doon sa Butuan ba yun? Or sa Gingoog or something like that. Iyon siya, ay gusto niya paturuan niya yung anak niya about sa Microsoft Teams. So sabi ko, so may account ka ba? May account ka ba? Tapos binigyan ng bata, alam nyo, yung Orius University ay nagbibigay sa lahat ng estudyante ng account. Meaning pala, yung mga organization, mga private, ang kailangan mo lang, ikaw sa private school ka, tapos yung school mo ay nagsasubscribe ng Microsoft 365, need ka lang ng valid school test. Okay, like at edu.ph, parang something like that, or orgs, or Ganyan, okay? So pwede ka doon ka punta sa ah, free 365 account to teachers and students. So may i-fill up ka doon, student ka ba or teacher ka, tapos bigay mo ng email mo. Pero kung wala kayo, example, wala kayong email na binigay or yung niyo, organization no hindi siya, do not worry. Kasi kagabi, nag-practice po ako. Nag-try ako, hindi doon sa teachers, hindi doon sa free for teachers and students. Doon po ako sa sign in, office.com. Nag-sign in ako, tapos nandoon sa baba na part na do you have account or create account? So I create account, I click create account. Yung husband ko is self-employed, ang kanyang pangalan gusto kong i-register. Tapos, nakapasok ako at binibigyan niya ako ng default na email. Ano yon? Outlook. The email services of Microsoft is Outlook. So, yung Gmail ay sa Google, yung Yahoo Mail ay sa Yahoo. So, ngayon, na ano siya, na default siya na nag-Outlook, tapos nilagay ko yung pangalan ng ng husband ko at naka-create ako ng libre. Pero there are limitation po. Itong sa non-public ay may limitation din. Later on, we will talk about that. Okay, yung sa husband ko ay hindi siya pwede maka-install. Yun ay pwede lang siyang maka-work on the web or online lang, okay? Online lang. Pwede niyang i-link niya sa drive niya, doon sa drive you can save a copy. So may ma-download mo rin. Next. So ano pala ang different plans ng Microsoft? First is Office 365 A1. It is free. Ito ang sinasabi ko para sa mga private school, private teachers, private organization, private student. Pero teacher sila, A1 sila. Tapos yung, you know what? Ang grabe ni DepEd. Office 365 A3 ang binigay niya. Hindi lang po sa teachers, pati na din po sa student natin. Yes, you heard me right. Yung sa anak ko na kinder dati na dumating ang kanyang account, ay ni-activate ko na, tapos na-change ko na. At tinignan ko po ang subscription niya. Alam niyo, ano ang binigay ni DepEd sa kanya? A3. A3. Totoo, A3. Okay? Tapos, meaning, sige, muna natin, tapusin muna natin. Then, the next one, parang premium ata ito, Office 365 A5. Siguro, ang mga ATO, A5 ang sa kanila. Ewan ko kung saan ginagamit yan. Okay? So, what is the difference? Itong si A1 ay may 5 lang siyang apps at puro online, meaning on the web only. You cannot install in your device para doon ka mag-type kahit wala kang internet. Hindi pwede. But at least, you can still collaborate. You can still call to teams and you can make forms and yan yung ganito, no? Pero si A3 po ay na-i-install
Ayan, once again, good afternoon. Okay, mayroon namang mga bagong PUP students ang pumasok. Again, maraming salamat po inyo, other learners. Okay, go ahead, ma'am.
Okay. So, mag-share screen muna ako, ha? I'm sorry talaga.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, okay na ba? You see me?
For a while, ma'am, ha?
Okay. So ang 3 okay. So,
Go, Ma'am
ayan na.
Eds.
Okay. So, dito naman sa services, itong si si A1, wala po siyang isa lang, yung bookings, wala siyang booking. So, si A3 meron. Tapos, dalawa dito sa apps. Dito naman sa 365, pareha lang siya sa A3, meron siya lahat, yung access. Kaya siyang, yung A3 ay walang itong Power BI? Power BI. Yun lang po ang kaibahan niya. It's okay na po yung A3 for us, DepEd at saka learners natin. Okay? So, next. Ano pa yung kaibahan nila? So, ito lang A1 ay they can work together, they can co-authoring, they can auto-saving kasi nga online din sila, di ba? At ang A3 naman, all the value of student in A1, meron sila. Plus, wow, ito talaga yung good news. Install the Office desktop apps on 5 PC. Yes, 5 PC or Macs per user. 5 apps on the tablets at saka 5 na phones. Okay. Explain ko yan mamaya. And then the other one, the A5, included daw niya yung lahat from A1 to A3. Okay. So mamaya tuturuan ko kayo paano niyo tingnan yung mga ano ninyo, yung subscription ninyo. Now, punta kayo, 'di ba? Kanina naka-login na tayo. Nandoon na tayo sa ating dashboard. Okay? I-click mo yung ano mo, yung magandang picture mo doon. Tapos pag-click mo may view account. Tapos click mo 'yan ang view account at makikita mo doon sa account mo ang devices. Meaning sa devices, 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina na 5 devices only per user yung PC or yung laptop. So, tingnan mo sa iyong device kung ilan na yung nagagamit mo o tingnan mo ang subscriptions doon sa account mo. So, paano ba? Tingnan natin. Ayan. So, oh my goodness, itong isang account ko, may 4 na device. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito ay aking laptop. Ito naman ay laptop ng aking anak. Ito naman yung desktop ay sa school ito, na ano ko pala, nabigay ko pala yung isa kong license doon. At saka yung number 4, dito din ito sa bahay. Now, paano yan? Isa na lang, kung mayaman ka, bibili ka na naman bukas ng isang laptop, tapos dalawang laptop, paano na yan? Okay, ganito lang ang gagawin. Kung dati doon sa box software, pag talagang wala ka nang magagawa sa iyong luma na laptop, ay itatapon mo na yon or ibibenta mo na yon doon sa junk shop. Yung license doon, hindi mo makukuha, di ba? Pero good news talaga. Kasi sa ating Microsoft 365, you will just disable. You click that one and you disable it. You disable, kabakante ka na. Yang may lagay na X, ito, i-disable mo siya o sa iba sa iba. Ang lalabas doon, sign out. I-sign out mo yung isang ano mo na ninakaw. O, hindi na kailangan na pupuntahan mo yon. Hindi na kailangan, kundi dito lang sa iyong dashboard. Okay? You will disable that one at mabakante ka. So, mali pala yung naituro ko last time. Sabi ko, pag mayaman ka, tapos marami kang laptop, 6, tapos 5 din ang iyong tablet, at saka 5 din. Wala pa na, 15 na. Kasi ang binigay pala ni DepEd sa atin, sa mga bata at sa atin, no, mga teachers, ay 15 accounts. Wow, ang bait nila, no? So, again ha, huwag kang malulungkot kapag maraming gumagamit sa iyong account kasi deactivate at then you can add another one. Wow! Wow talaga. Next! tingnan niyo ang sa akin po. Itong ginamit ko ngayon, Mia Trainer na account, kasi binigyan din po kami, liban doon sa G Suite na binigay sa amin, binigyan din kami sa Microsoft, no? So, subscription ko po ay 83. Okay? At saka, napaka very good nila kasi binigyan nila ako ng free na PI. O, tingnan mo, at saka Microsoft Power Automate free. At saka, yan, tingnan nyo, Office 365 A34 faculty, buti na lang hindi student. Kasi there is really a difference between the A34 for students and A3 for faculty. For example, sa teams, class teams, you cannot make class team kung estudyante ka. Dapat teacher ka. Okay? Yun lang. Parang konti lang yung difference niya. Okay, so alam na ninyo ha, paano tingnan yung subscription natin. Okay, next. Ito naman, pinakita ko sa inyo ang sa aking anak po. Okay, ito ay grade 1 ngayon siya. So next year, grade 2 na siya. So nakukuha ko yung account niya, yung kinder pa siya. Okay? The same process, you go to view account, use account mo, tapos view account, tapos yung kaibahan sa akin, good morning lang, or good afternoon. Yung sa mga bata pala, kasi LRN lang yung binigay sa kanila, my good morning, Ariela Lorraine, yung pangalan ng anak ko, di ba? And then, pag-view ng account po, ay A3 pa rin. Ang grabing gifted, no? Ang bait-bait niya. Binigay din na 365 A3 for student. Sa anak ko yan, kinder, imagine. Tapos, tiningnan ko ang kanyang office app device. Kasi sabi nila, 5 lang daw sa estudyante. Pero, alam nyo, inactivate ko kagabi yung anak ko. Alam nyo, tingnan mo, 5 PC pa rin, at saka 5 tablets, at saka 5 smartphone. Wow, as in wow talaga, no? Tapos dito mo magkikita, ang sa anak ko, wala pa siyang apps or devices. Wala pa. Kasi hindi pa na-install, di ba? So, makukunan pala yung account mo once you install it. If not, if you are just logged in, wala po, ha? Walang makukuha, walang mababawas. Okay, yun na. Tapos na pala ako. Any question po? Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you learned something po. I know it is very important. I'm sorry sa signal po. Hello!
Congrats si Ma'am Eds.
Okay,
Hello.
congrats po. Okay, thank you so much po sa napaka very informative mong presentation. And the same time guidance po ng ating mga co-educators. Okay. So at this point of time, dear participants, ang susunod natin na speaker ay walang iba po kundi si Sir Arian Edolantes, still coming from SDO ng Cagayan de Oro City. Okay, go ahead, Sir Arian. Okay, naka-mute po si Sir Arian.
Yeah, for a while. Yes, sir. For a while, sir. I'll just share my screen. Okay. For a while, sir.
Okay, sir. Ayan po.
So yes, good afternoon, everyone. Once again, I'm Arian Edoliantes. I'm from the division of Cagayan de Oro City. So today we will be talking about Microsoft Outlook for a positive outlook in life. So it's seamless learning via Microsoft Outlook. So I'm already in this teacher 2 of Gusa Regional Science High School. Just recently, I just passed the Microsoft Certified Educator, the Microsoft Office Specialist, PowerPoint to 2019, Office 365 Associate, and also with Excel.
Congrats po, sir.
Thank you very much. Sige, this is with the help of DepEd and Microsoft also. So thank you for both DepEd and Microsoft. Sige, let's start with the question. These questions. You start your day in the office. So siguro most of us we start our day with a meet and greet with our coworkers or teachers, or school heads, or in a normal class we started with greetings sa mga students, or if you're an advisory, for sure ang una niyong ginagawa sa classroom is maintain the cleanliness, no? So ang iba nga na uh, inaaway na yung mga student early in the morning. So that's how we really we start our day in a normal classroom or in a normal class. So what are the means of communications that we are using? So there are a lot, no? We have the verbal and non-verbal communication. So most of us we use text. Just siguro now most common that we are using is via Facebook messaging, or through calling. So a lot will be more on internet-based communication. So how do you usually keep track important communications in our office? So there are memos, no? Very important. So how are we going to organize them? How do we keep track on that? So most of us sa atin, especially sa teachers or even sa mga students, we have GCs. We have GCs sa ating mga sa sa classroom, or we have groups sa Facebook. So that's how we organize our communications. But sometimes sa mga group chats, natatabunan siya, especially if there are a lot na nagko-comment. So that's why medyo it will take time to back read on those messages. That's why we try to organize it. So that's why with your account and with Microsoft, they introduce us to their email services, which is the Microsoft Outlook. Okay, this is same with other email services that we are actually using, but with some other features. Okay, so this is Microsoft Outlook is a personal information manager from Microsoft. It's primarily an email application. So they have added features aside from their main feature in our email service. They have calendar, contact manager, note taking, journal, and web browsing. So if you are if you bought a new device, let's say desktop or laptop, automatically there is, especially if it's Windows based, there is an automatic installed Outlook Outlook application in your device. So that's why Microsoft Outlook meron siyang web based at saka meron din siyang application based. Okay, so how to get you open the browser. It can be any browser, but for Microsoft, it's best to use Edge, Microsoft Edge. So open a browser and then input or visit outlook.live.com/OWA, or simply type outlook.com. Then you click sign in, located at the upper right corner of your window. Then enter your Outlook account credentials, and then after that you will be logged in and welcome to the Microsoft or Outlook environment. So again, this is the steps. These are the steps. Step 1, open your browser, type in outlook.com. Then you will be to this page. Then click sign in. There's the upper right corner. And then input your account. So right here I have Maya Trainer a.dolientes@arten.gov.ph, then your password. So if you have successfully logged in, ito po ang this is your Microsoft Outlook. So meron ka na diyan, naka-login ka na. Okay? So let's go to the interface, or ano ba ang parts ng Microsoft Outlook interface. So we have number one, we have the navigation pane nandyan sa left mo, sa left side. So this one is the navigation pane part here. This is your message list, and then the reading page. So for this, sa navigation page, nandyan yung, sa navigation pane rather, nandyan yung inbox, mga folders mo. So inbox, send items, addresses, archive, junk, email, notes, etc. So those are included in the navigation page. So if you click something on the navigation page, dyan yung message list. Lalabas yung message list. So this will be, magbabago siya according to whatever is being clicked sa navigation pane. So right here, ang na-click is ang inbox. So that's why si message list ang lalabas. So ito yung mga messages. Then if you click a message, lalabas naman dito kung ano yung laman ng message. Okay? So that's how it works. Okay, so let's have the mail. So let's try to create a new mail. Then the other feature is the encryption feature, the file attachment, and then we have also attaching poll, focus and other inbox, inbox filtering, signature, and auto message. So let's go. Let's try to demonstrate this of Outlook mail. Okay, for a while. So punta tayo sa sige. Okay, so again, so you started opening your browser, then you type outlook.com, then click sign in. So pag mag-sign in ka, first thing is, so may this one, this is my account, and then just input your credentials, password. So ayan, these are my this is my Outlook account. So hopefully nakikita siya. Nakikita. Okay, yan. So again, this is the navigation pane, the message list, and then the reading pane. So kung ano ko yung i-click ko dyan, dito siya lalabas. Okay, so let's start with writing a message. So to write a new message, just click the new message. And then same as usual, the usual na na messaging email of other services, same lang din siya. So meron siyang to, CC, and then subject. So meron din siya dito, meron siyang button here for blind carbon copy. So we have the send, attachment, encrypt, discard, and then meron din siya dito. So more or less similar siya sa Microsoft na Word, no? Meron siyang mga editing tools or layout tools. So meron siya dito format painting, font size, bold, italic, underline, highlight, font color, link, and other services, other formatting pa. So, ano yun? First na feature niya is the encryption feature. So let's say I'll send an email. Yun. So I'll send an email sa this one, sa email na to. Then lagyan ko siya ng encryption. So what is encryption for? Encryption gives you more security sa image mo. Okay? So let's say encryption. This is an encrypted message. So there, so encrypted. So meron siya, if makita niyo, there is something na nakalagay sa taas. So this message is encrypted. Recipient can remove encryption. So pwede siya i-change encryption. So there are I believe there are three encryption. Apat pala. So we have the confidential for all employees, do not forward, encrypt, and then highly confidential. So lahat siya ay may mga functions na friendly. So one of the feature na importante is this one. So that do not forward. So meaning the person na sinendan mo hindi siya maka-forward ng message. For example, I will use this one, not forward. So pag i-send ko, so automatically sa sent items nandyan siya. So if wala siya sa sent items, meron siyang outbox na lalabas na folder. Meaning hindi pa siya na-send ang message, sending pa lang siya. So let's check ano ang mangyayari doon, no? Let's check the email. So I have opened that email, this one. So yun, encryption message. Okay. So, mga 40 minutes. So, ayun. So, if you can see, wala siyang forward. Disabled ang forward na button. So, meaning you cannot forward this message. Kasi you have encrypted it and limit it to do not forward na encryption. Okay? So, there are also other feature na example. If it is encrypted, let's go back sa dito. If new message tapos encrypted siya, like confidential siya or highly confidential, if you will send it sa hindi kasali sa organization mo, like for example dito hindi siya kasali sa art10.deped.gov.ph, hindi niya mababasa ang message automatically. Okay, so the message will be, sige, let's try it. So let's say highly confidential siya. Send natin sa Gmail. And send. So as I said earlier, meron tayong app version ng Microsoft Outlook. So dito, what's best sa app na version ng Microsoft Outlook sa desktop nyo or any devices is that you can add other accounts. Ito. So if you can see here, I have a lot of email accounts here. So hindi lang for Outlook, you can also add other accounts other than your Outlook account or other than DepEd account or 365 account. So this one naka-incorporate dito si Gmail. So highly confidential. So this is the message. So hindi niya automatically mababasa yung message. So if i-forward niya yung message, hindi din mababasa ng pino-forwardan niya. So or the recipient or the receiver will just click the message para yung message link para ma-open niya yung message. So it will go to here, a browser. Tapos saka pa lalabas yung message. So if i-forward niya itong message na to, hindi mabasa ng pino-forwardan niya. It's not part sa organization, or it's not from sa kanya, para sa kanya talaga. Okay? So since hindi pa siya it's protected, so you need to, or he need to sign in pa sa account mo talaga sa Google, or you need sign in sa one-time password. Depende sa kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Okay, another feature ni Microsoft Outlook in terms of messaging is this one. Okay, as I said, yung poll, so you can insert poll. So pwede siya survey. If you want to have survey, automatically hindi ka napupunta pa sa other devices or other applications. Okay, so let's say kay Irma. Yun. That one. So you just add dito sa options, may ellipsis button here. You just click here, options, and then click poll. Then automatically you will be given windows here sa part here na Microsoft. So automatic na siya. Sige, mga 14 minutes kung mag-coordinate si internet. Yan, kaya yan. So yan, this is another feature ni automatic. Example, you want to ask an opinion once. So what would be the theme for our party? Let's see that one. Gusto ko pajama. Pwede Hawaiian. You can also add another. Let's say gusto ko cosplay. So let's say that then click next. So you have an option to add to the email or to edit it. So pwede ko automatic na i-add ko na sa email. So this poll will be incorporated here sa email ad mo. And then, or sa email mo. And then, you just need to click that one, to click send. Okay? So automatic nandiyan items. So I'll go to the email. No, this is not the one. This one, sir. So ayan. Theme party. So pwede nila si recipient or si receiver, pwede na siya mag-comment ay mag-cast ng votes niya. So ko mag-cosplay. So vote. Okay. So makikita na niya kung ano yung automatic na vote niya, and then sa end naman ni sender, makikita niya kung ano yung na vote. View result. So ayan. So hindi na pupunta pa ng other na forms or other platform para lang mag-office, para lang makita yung result. So automatic yan. So this is good for if you want to have a survey na kailangan talaga ang result automatically, or kailangan siya magkuha ang consensus ng mga kasama mo sa organization. Okay, so this is another feature na unique dito, no? Also, other feature is the focus and others inbox. So this one, meron siya dito focus, at saka makita niyo meron siyang focus, meron din siyang others. Basically, focus is parang yun yung intended for you. The message is really intended for you. And then the others are those na yung parang sinasubscribe mo, parang subscription na galing sa iyo. So it depends, no, especially if na-replyan mo yung email, so lalabas siya sa focus. Pero pag hindi pa pag hindi mo pa siya na-replyan, like first time mo pa siya na-receive, hindi mo na-reply, so like for example subscription, usually dito siya sa others. We also have filter dito sa Microsoft na Outlook. So pwede natin siya i-filter ang inbox natin to those unread messages. So unread messages lang yung lalabas. We also have other filters, no? Message sent to me directly. So automatic sa iyo, hindi ka naka-CC or naka-BCC. Flag, meaning important message mo na nilagyan mo ng flag. So here, this one is the flag this message. Parang you need to this is an important message. I need to go over it again some other time. Parang ganun. Need to reply it some other time. So pwede mo lagyan ng flag. Mention and then attachment. So all messages with attachment. Okay. Next feature is yung signature. So pwede natin lagyan ng signature yung image natin, yung email natin. Signature like this one. So, hindi ka na mag-type ng ganito. So, pwede mo siya ilagyan ng ganyan. So, saan yan makikita? You just go to, discard ko muna to. Just go to this one, settings. View all Outlook settings. So, pwede mo siya laruin yung settings ni Outlook. So, sa layout, pwede mo ganyan. Depende, no? How you want your layout to be displayed. So, there are a lot of options there. Compose and replies. So, this is for the signature. So, pwede siya yan. I-type mo dyan. Pwede din mag-add ka ng picture sa signature mo. So, kung ano yung gusto mong ilagay na picture, let's say, ano ba? So, say I want this picture to be pasted. So, pwede ganyan. So, if mag-send ako ng message, automatic siya, included siya sa message when I compose or when I reply or forward the message. So, yan ang lalagay. So, hindi ka na mag-type. Depende sa iyo, no? So, it's up to you how you use this signature. Okay, so there are a lot of other features there. Then you just click yan, automatic yan nagsisave. So we also have diretso na lang ako. We also have the automatic replies. So for example, you're on a vacation, so save natin. You're on a vacation and then you don't want parang hindi mo siya ma-access yung yung email mo. So you can have an automatic reply. So this is good for yan nga, if you're on vacation and then you want others to know na you cannot get you cannot reply immediately because you're on a vacation. So you just click that one. So turn on automatic replies, then you set the time, kailan, anong oras, and then saan. So block my calendar for this period, meaning they cannot add you for any meetings based sa calendar mo, and then automatic decline yung invitation for an event during this period or decline and cancel meetings during this period. So let's say from today 3 p.m. until tomorrow 3 p.m. So usually I cannot reply. So depende sa message mo. Because I'm on vacation. So, send reply outside the organization. Pwede na, hindi yan. Pwede lang ganyan. So, save. So, set na siya auto-reply. Okay, so i-close ko to. If I'll send a message sa kanya, may trainer, this one, oops, trainer. hi. Hi. Send. So, makakatanggap ako ng auto-reply. Yun. So, makakatanggap ako ng automatic reply. I cannot reply immediately because I'm on vacation. So, this is important note. Yan nga. If you're on vacation or there's something na important kaya hindi ka automatically na like example, walang internet or pupunta ka sa isang lugar tapos walang internet and you know that there's no internet connection during that period, so you can set an auto reply for this. At least alam nila na you are out of reach. So we also have, besides sa mail feed, we also have the calendar features. So this is, so may mga icons dyan. May calendar, example, we have mail, calendar, contacts, attachments, we have to-do lists, and then other basic na productivity suites. We have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. We also have the booking. So sa calendar, basically yun lang. Same as other calendars, you can add calendar events here para ma-notify ka. Ma-notify ka din if ever na may calendar event siya. So for example, this. So if I will have here sa 16. So how will I add an event? Okay, so it's still loading. And 28 seconds. Kasi loading. Okay, so this one, how to add, you just, pwede mo siya i-click click once ang day. Pwede mo din siya i-double click. Sige, pag okay na yung internet. Yun. Medyo the internet is not really working properly, not participating properly, but still kaya pa. Yan. So this is how to add a calendar end. So just add title, let's say sa August 16, this is enrollment. You can also share the enrollment, sorry. You can also add, I'm still, yeah, okay. So you can also add the event, other participants or attendees, especially if let's say committee kayo, so you want to include them sa event, malagay din sa calendar nila, so you can also add that one. Let's say I will add si Mia Trainer. So what time you can set the time also. So pwede 8, tama na yun. 8 to all day na lang. If you want to have a meeting regarding this one, so pwede muna siya i-set sa Teams. Because Outlook is part of the Microsoft Productivity Suites, or that's why automatic integrated na si Teams. So automatic siya, if you will click Teams meeting here, enable that one, meron siyang isi-send na sa kanila na link sa meeting na yan. Okay? So, and then you send that one. So what will happen? Aside from isi-send yung message mo, yung calendar event mo, and then nandiyan na din siya sa calendar mo. If you go to your Outlook message, there will be a notification for an upcoming event. As the days or as the day approaches, lalagay siya dito ng notification dito na side. Okay, so let's go to the other email. tingnan natin if na-send ba siya. So, na-send siya. Okay, so as I said, since nakalagay na siya yung yung sinet mo siya na team meeting, so may lalabas na siya na team link for your meeting. So just click that one for the meeting. Then you can also accept maybe or no, respond for on the So let's sa meeting na nilagay niya. So let's say yes. So punta tayo sa calendar natin, other calendars or sa this other meeting. Lalagay or sa this other na account, nandun lalabas na din siya. If you sync your OneNote account and calendar sa phone mo, meron din siyang mag-notify din siya sa phone mo. So there. So this is again the Maya Trainer na account. Automatic siya ma-add sa calendar mo. So that's how you share events on the calendar. Okay. We can also update. So let's say, let's change the calendar event. So hindi siya sa 16. Okay. Are there any questions sa YouTube natin regarding Microsoft Outlook? While waiting for this, tingnan natin. Ba? Ayun. So how to update? You just double click that one. The event. And then edit. So na yun. Yun. Edit. So pwede mo siya i-edit. Let's say it's not on 18 pala, it will be on the 8th, then whole day. And then so pwede siya remind me. So there's a reminder day before 5 p.m. So yan. So pwede, or depende sa kailan mo siya ipa-remind. Pwede siya 1 week before. So ganyan. And then you also have repeat. So when siya is this bumabalik ba siya? Is it a weekly meeting, a monthly meeting, a yearly meeting? It's up to you. So pwede mo yan but this meeting will never repeat. So yan yung never muna. Okay, then send. So from 16 naging 8 siya. Okay? Punta tayo sa this one. So magsisend siya again since nag-edit ka, so it will send again another notification or another email sa invite mo na participant. So yes. So yan. Okay. So we have covered already updating, sending, and then that one. Let's proceed to contact. So this is this is very good. Ito yung nakikita kong best sa contacts. Especially if you are in in an organization. So if for me at r10.deped.gov.ph, this is very useful for me. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of teachers, or there are a lot of personnel na nasa, like for me, sa akin, sa under sa Region 10 na hindi ko kilala or hindi ko alam yung email nila. Pero kilala ko sila by name or the complete name. So for example, meron akong gustong hanapin, isend ng email, tapos hindi ko alam kung ano yung email niya. So because we are of the same tenant, automatically, lahat ng mga contacts na nandyan sa tenant na yan, makikita ko siya. Okay, so at least their email address. For example, Reyes. So there are a lot of Reyes here na under sa at r10.deped.gov.ph. So meaning under sa the same tenant. So these Reyeses here are students because it started with an LRN. So this one are teachers or employees of DepEd. So we have this Reyes. So pwede ko siya i-click, especially if alam ko na siya yung email or siya yung sisendan ko ng email. 'Di ba? So hindi na necessary na alamin ko kung ano yung email ad niya. So for example, I'm looking for a student. Tapos hindi ko alam yung email address niya, yung 365 account niya. So I have a student na ang apelyido. This one, si J. Chris. So instead of memorizing his email, his LRN number, pwede ko na lang siya i-type dyan yung pangalan niya or 'di ba? Then automatic na yung email address niya. So that's how useful the contacts, especially if you are in the same environment or organization. So it's here also, no? May contact sa left side. So you can add contact or import contact. Import contact if you have the CSV separated contact separated with comma, CVS, ano ba 'yan? na file. So pwede mo siya gamitin. So add contact, pwede mo siya i-fill out dyan. It's up to you. And I said, you can also add groups. You can create a new folder for a contact. So pwede ka mag-organize ng contact mo. If let's say by department, by school ba kaya, or any group that you want. So this one here is the global directory address. So lahat ng list dyan under R10, nandyan yung mga email under R10 na tenant, because this is a global directory and this account has given access to by the IT department or the USD, user support department or division ng central office, na makita lahat ng R10 account. So yan, makikita ko yan. So meron din siyang your contact list. So kung ano yung na-save mo na sa'yo lang, no? So you can add a list also there for your contacts. So yan. So that's how for me useful yung email na 365 natin. Yung Microsoft 365 account natin in terms of emailing. Kasi you don't need to worry kung ano yung email address ng bata or ano yung email address ni teacher na at R10 because automatically masi-search mo na siya. Okay, so that's how contact is. So let's proceed to do. To do is it's literally to-do list, your to-do list, yung mga task at hand. So let's proceed. So to-do list, this one, the check icon, that's to do. Just click that one. And okay. So we have a list. This is my list, my day na list. And then you can add sa list na yan. So let's say I will create another list. This is module, let's say PR2 module evaluation. Yun. That's how I add a list. So what are the tasks? Let's say module 1, module 2, module 3, or let's say ang PR2 is may ibang module na dapat i-evaluate. I can sort that one. Sort alphabetically. So yan, pwede mo din siyang i-click. Set it as an important task. Just click the star. Enable the star. So let's say I'm done with my task. I'm done evaluating module 1. So then I'll just click this one. Mark as complete. So automatically, pupunta na siya dyan. Now, you can also share this task, especially if you are working on a certain task, and then lahat kayo dapat may fulfill na task. So you can create a task list, then share it to someone na magko-collaborate kayo. Create an invitation link. So yan, invite via email, or you just copy this link and then send it sa kanya, sa someone. Okay, then automatic pupunta siya dyan. Let's say I'm done. Check, I'm done with everything. Yan, pupunta lang siya dyan. Let's say, yun, nagkamali ako, hindi pa pala siya tapos. So I'll just uncheck it para sa incomplete na task. Okay? So ganyan lang. Steps. So let's say si module 1, you want another steps, no? Ano ba ang kailangan sa module 1? So let's say, let's have this one, anong una i-evaluate? Content. Next sa content is language. Page. And then layout. Let's say ganyan. Okay. Si module 1, there are 3 steps ni module 1. So, pag-click mo yan, lalabas siya. Let's say you're done with content, evaluate na. Na-evaluate na din si language and si layout. Just then click that one. So, the 3 steps are already, 3 tasks in this task. In this, 3 steps in this task has been completed. So, that's how, no, you use evaluation, or you use to-do list. So Santo, again, this is very important or very helpful in tracking the progress of a certain task, especially if it is a collaborative task by sa division or sa school ninyo, or even sa student. So just share that one via email or via link. Okay. So we also have, if you click this one as an important task, so lalabas din siya dyan. So here also, sa notification or sa left side niya, meron din siyang one task na important. Or you just click that one. So i-uncheck natin muna. So there are 5 tasks na important tasks. So if you are done, mark it as complete. So minus din siya. Okay? So if someone also assigned you from a certain task, you can also see it here, assigned to you. Task assigned to you. So for now, wala siyang na-assign na task for me. Planned task. So these are tasks na may due date. Ganyan. So if you're done, let's say I'll create another task. Let's say PR. No, let's have, ano ba? Modules. Okay. So I have 2 tasks already. So pwede ko gawin to, let's say this one, si module 2. This task will be placed or moved to the layout evaluation na task. So I'll just right click the task dito sa PR2, then I can move it or copy task. So for this instance, I'll click move task to. So from PR2 na module, ilalagay ko siya sa layout evaluation na task. So nawala na siya si module 2, and then if you click si evaluation, layout evaluation, nandun si module 2. So hindi ka na mag-type again or retype again if they have the same task. You just click copy task or move task. So that's how you create a to-do list. Okay? So yun. Ano pa ba? Let's check our so we have creating, adding tasks, sharing task list, copying, and moving. So yan. I guess okay. I guess I'm done, sir. So we are now ready to accept your questions if you have any. Okay. Stop sharing. So yan, have questions, you can type your questions sa chat box, and we will try to accommodate your questions. Let's try Ma'am Edna, are you there? Ask lang po sa experience emails. Okay, I have a question here from Sir Ruben. Ang sabi niya is, na-experience ko po na hindi nag-sync yung email ko sa phone at sa computer ko. Ano po ang problem? Usually, it's more on the internet connection and the syncing. No? So, for as long as there is a stable internet connection, and then you sync kumbaga you refresh your phone, if you refresh your phone sa your email sa phone mo, automatically it will sync na din siya. For as long the same account sa kung ano yung nasa mobile phone mo at saka yung sa web na account mo. Sige, what else? Do we have other questions? Pwede po bang this is on the oops. Pwede po, this is on the registration. Okay. Sir, question lang po. Nakalimutan po kasi namin yung pinalit na password na binigay ng DepEd. Paano po namin? Okay. If you are sa first time na account nyo, yung binigay ni DepEd na email address, especially sa 365, if you change the password, di ba po, hihingan kayo ng alternative na email address and your contact number. Di ba po? If ever hiningan kayo and you have done that one, you can ask for the feature, you can click retrieve password or forget password, and automatically isi-send ni DepEd or ni Microsoft sa iyo yung password doon sa alternative email address mo or doon sa phone mo. Or another feature also is you answer the security questions. So again, ganito kasi yan, if the division office or your ITO, through your school ICT coordinator gave you already your account, your 365 account, 'di ba, may may temporary password. So if you log in first time kasi na mag-login ka sa Office 365, so sa office.com or any 365 account, like example sa outlook.com, automatically hihingan kanya ng new password. Tama? So after hihingan ng password, new password, hihingan kanya ng alternative email at saka your number. Or another also is security questions. If na-fill up mo yan, you can access your email, you can retrieve your email, your password through forgot password na feature ni Microsoft, ni Office 365. So, isa-send nila sa tatlo, sa either sa email address mo, sa alternative email, or sa phone number mo na provide mo. Or, you may answer your alternative, your security questions. Pero pag wala, dito sa amin sa SDO Cagayan de Oro, we have our ITO gave us a form in which we can ask for a reset sa email address ng sa account namin sa 365. I don't know with other divisions if how they do it, but yan sa amin is i-reset ni ITO based on those na nakalagay sa forms doon as mag-request. Now, if it is a student account, si ICT coordinator ng school ang may hawak on how to reset the password of the student. So, I believe all ICT coordinators have been trained to reset student password or student account. Pwede po ba bago nag-end ang school year nito? Good afternoon po, sir. May account na binigay sa mga bata bago ang nag-end ang school year na ito. Yung MS Office 365 ba po ba na account nila? Yun po ba ang gagamitin nila? I believe so, yes. Yes po. Yun po yung account na gagamitin nila.
Yes.
Okay. Wait lang. Another question is, pwede po ba ma-access ang MS Outlook sa MS Access? I think they are different na feature or different na application, no? Si MS Access is on the database.
Yeah.
Database siya. Si MS Outlook is ano po siya?
Email service.
Email service.
But need niya the same account to
yes.
to sign in or use the feature. So same
Yes.
account pa rin.
Pero sir, wala pong hininging alternative email at okay.
Meron pag sign in natin. So
okay,
nag-cancel ka siguro, sir. Siguro, sir, pag first time sign in mo po, ay hindi mo yun, kasi di ba may lalabas na please don't lose your account. Verify your account, but hindi mo yun na-click, hindi mo nilagay yung alternative email, hindi mo nilagay yung cellphone, at hindi mo na-answer yung security question. So, ang mangyari po niyan, like dito sa Cagayan de Oro, doon po mismo sa ITO, sa Division ITO po, siya po yung magre-reset. May parang may link po kami na doon kami magre-reset. Pero kung na-comply mo sana yung verification or nagawa mo sana yung verification, it is very easy for self-reset. Ikaw na po ang mag-self-reset. I-forgot password mo lang at sabi niya, we send email or code number to your email or your phone number. So, yung code number na yun ang para ma-change password ka na or makapasok ka na. So, as of now, sir, we cannot do anything about kung sakali na forgot mo na yun, sir, no? Tapos, wala ka nakapag-verify or nakapag-follow po ng verification process. So doon po talaga sa ICT, ITO natin, yung sa school-based. Liban lang sa learners. Kasi ang ICT coordinator ay na-train na po na paano mag-reset ng
Reset,
password.
reset ang password.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. or Ma'am Roginil, ganito siya. Ganito na lang po ang gawin natin. You contact your ITO, ask for a reset of your account, and then once na-receive mo na yung temporary password mo, you go to office.com, doon ka po mag-login para hihingan ka niya ng verification, no? Alternative email, number, at saka yung security questions. So para minsan kasi meron din kasing ganyan, no, hindi tayo hinihinga ng alternative email, especially if automatic tayo pumunta sa Microsoft applications. But for now, if ever you have received your temporary email password from your ITO, upon asking for a reset, you go proceed to office.com immediately, and then dun ka
Yes.
mag-login. So Arian, yung sync na setting po, accessible po ba sa lahat ng tenant ng R10 po? What I mean yung mga documents. Okay, sir. Ganito, sir. You're, if nag-login ka sa Microsoft productivity suites like sa Excel, Word, at saka PowerPoint, every time po na tatype ka sa device mo, nakalagay doon, malalagay na doon automatically as an option on saving sa location yung OneDrive natin. Okay? So, sa OneDrive, nakalagay na yun kung ano yung Outlook natin. If you save it sa OneDrive, automatic siya, sir, magsisync sa OneDrive, sa cloud. Pero if hindi mo save sa OneDrive, sa computer lang po siya talaga masisave. Wala siya sa cloud. Okay, paano kung di nag-synchronize po yung email mobile po sa computer?
Sir, ilag out mo yung naka-sign in, tapos yung gamitin mo yung 365 po na account para mag-sync po siya lahat.
Yes, sir. Depende pa din siya sa connection, no? Sa internet connection pa din. And then try to refresh it until it will sync.
Ilan po limit ma-save o limit capacity in OneDrive? Yung binigay sa atin na 365 ay 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte. So ilang gig ba yan, Sir Arian, ang 1 terabyte? Di ba 1,000 siguro? 1,000 I think.
1,000 gig. Pero this is the good news, no?
Yeah, good news yan. Sige.
This is good news. Sa 1 terabyte na yan, of course, no, how many movies will you save it? You can save how many movies sa 1 terabyte na yan. But if it will reach to a certain percentage, let's say 90%, automatically, si OneDrive natin will be increased.
Yeah, so, and it will be unlimited.
Magiging unlimited din siya.
Unlimited na siya.
It will really increase and increase and increase.
Correct. So walang sa 365 na sasabihin napupuno na hindi.
That's
kasi
but
mag-replenish siya ng replenish.
So but we are saying that this is the incidence or the instance for the DepEd 365 account, Office 365 Microsoft account.
Yeah.
So I don't know with the other paid na 365 account, but for DepEd na binigay sa atin is 365, it will be unlimited.
Tama.
Ilan ang maximum po na ng mga LRN ang mai-add sa bawat teacher?
As much as you can siguro.
Oh.
Kasi yung A1 ay may 50 50 gig. Na email lang yung A1 na. Pero yung sa atin 365 it's unlimited.
No, I think the question is how many what is the maximum on
So, di ba every year iba ang students natin. So you can add until we retire.
Sir, again, extra, sir.
Hello. May iko. Bakit kaya?
I-mute na lang.
I-mute na lang.
Serbian.
Okay. Sila nang sunod.
Okay. Yun. So with regards sa sa contact natin sa Outlook, I believe it's unlimited.
Yeah. Sir Ryan, may I ask po if there is also a free student account for college student? Kapag galing po sila sa DepEd, so magagamit po nila yun. Unless if you are a teacher, pag mag-retire ka po, ika-cancel na po nila yung account natin. But we are given 180 days or 6 months. Nabasa ko kagabi. So, i-transfer mo agad yung nasa drive mo if you will retire. Or you will disconnect from DepEd. But yung student na mag-graduate ng senior high, I think they can use it lifetime. Kaya hindi naman sila magre-retire. That's what I think, Sir Arian.
Base po sa ano ha? Kasi there's no memo or anything about deletion of account. So but sa ano siguro sa for me, if ever hindi na siya na-tag sa LIS, ma-deactivate yung account niya.
Okay, so
Pero parang ganun siya.
Yung memo na pinakita ko kanina, doon sa last part na yun, nakalagay, once na ang teacher ay mag-separate po sa service or hindi i-delete, yung i-deactivate lang. So after siguro nag-abroad siya and then she will be back, that account will be reactivated again. Yun ang nabasa ko sa memo na yun. Kung i-finish natin yung memo.
Yeah, that's the case for teachers.
Pero iwan ko lang sa student.
Yeah, I think the student is once it is not tagged sa LIS natin, meaning hindi na siya active. So parang ganun. That's how I understand it.
Yeah. Kasi ang tagging dapat natin siya ang lahat, 'di ba? Yung reviews natin.
Sir Ryan, regards to your question, if there is a free student account for college student, for now it is business discussion, but there are a lot of schools na they are using Microsoft 365 already. So it's part of their tuition. So ganun siya. Pero as Ma'am Edna discussed earlier, meron siyang free. Pero ayun siya, A1 lang talaga siya.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, Sir Ryan, my free. Pero limited lang po siya web browsing or online po. For college students. Na yung school nila subscribe na 365. They can still create account, free account, pero limited lang po talaga. Though they can still collaborate with other users. Bakit nag-echo, Sir Arya?
I think kay Serbian.
Okay, any question po?
Ilang years po available ang mga students, ang web mail na pinabright. Yeah, for as long as DepEd
Nasa DepEd na siya. So hanggang senior high
available yan.
siguro, no?
And as long as Nagsasubscribe pa din si
Subscribe pa din
DepEd
si
kay
DepEd
Microsoft.
kay Microsoft.
Hmm. Tama.
Tama.
Kung nag-iipon any more question?
So far, wala na tayong nakita.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, again, participants,
Yes,
we're
Joanne.
inviting po to share your concerns. At least naman po, pagkatapos ng webinar ay nasagot po yung mga katanungan sa isipan natin. Habang dito pa ang ating mga speakers po.
Deep Education email account, pwede po bang SIMS Office 5? Pwede kung sa ano, yung G Suite natin, ma'am. Sir Aryan.
Ma'am Joanne, may email account pwede po.
For example, yung G Suite natin.
Unlike po kasi sa student account natin, ang student account is they have kung ano yung 365 account nila, yun din yung Google account nila. Sa teacher is different. Ang Microsoft 365 account natin is yung may tenant. Yung example for QC, siguro NCR -1 .deped.gov.ph. Pero yung Google natin or your DepEd natin is yung walang tenant. So hindi natin siya ma-sync. Hindi, I don't know with the plan of central office if they will sync it, but for now there's no possibility for that.
Thank you, Sir JP.
Okay, so far, wala na pong mga katanungan.
Yeah.
Kasi na siguro po tayo. Okay, so again participants, if meron po kayong mga katanungan, you can chat Digital Technician po at pwede po natin ipabot sa ating speakers. So siguro may mga gusto siguro magtanungan and siguro mahila lang po yung internet. Okay, so it's possible our presentation of certificates po. Okay? So certificate of recognition, the certificate is proudly presented to Ma'am Edna E. Miranda in grateful acknowledgement of her distinguished and invaluable expertise speaker during the webinar on overview of Office 365 and seamless learning with Outlook, streamed via YouTube Live this 7th day of August 2021, given at the Digital Technician, Cebu City, Philippines, signed by the three administrators, Arturo E, Benavides P, Gerundio Jr, Norman B, Leynes, and semestro with
Thank you po.
okay, Sir Aryan M. Eduliantes. Okay. Again, maraming salamat Aryan and Ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sana po dito ang una at huling pag-guest nyo pa Digital Technician.
Sure. No problem.
Okay, once again, dear participants, salamat din po sa inyong mga oras na nilaan sa ating mahaba-habang talakayan. Since morning pa po yung iba nag-attend, sir, kasi may event tayo sa morning about mental health, 9 to 11. And then ngayon naman po, 1 to 4, and then 5:30 to 30, meron naman po about Photoshop.
Wow. Sir GP, what are necessary Microsoft trainings that educators need? Actually, sir, yung 365, napakarami po niyang laman. Kaya stay in, stay tuned until the end of September kasi ang mga Mias po, like us, will discuss it in detail. Okay po. So, marami pa po. So, hindi kaya po ng isang setting. Oh, sa akin ngayon is overview lang talaga. And then later on, somebody will talk about Excel, Word, and so much more. So, see you.
Tama.
Yes, sir. Again, ang August and September po ay nakalaan para sa mga Microsoft Tools po. So, buong mga Microsoft Tools training po yan. 2 months po. That will fall every Saturday, 1 to 4. Kasi di po kaya ang isang meeting lang and discuss yung ilang tools. So, dapat himay-himay para mas maintindihan paano ginagamit, saan ginagamit, at ano po yung mga strengths and weaknesses niya. Yan po ang purpose natin. Kaya ilagay natin siya sa isang session lang po, bawat tool. Okay, once again, thank you.
Thank you
Ma'am Edna.
for watching.
Okay, bye.
Welcome.
By the way, yan po pala ang ating pag-claim ng certificate using the code. Okay? Okay, yan po ang ating pagkuha ng e-certificate po. So, paano po yan ay unang-una po, Okay, so using your browser, can you type po education.microsoft.com. Again, education.microsoft.com po. Okay? And then gawa kayo ng account. Okay, sign. And then once you have your account po, login din kayo by pressing this side po. So once maklik nyo po yan, okay, so sign in po. Okay. Then kung naka-sign in na po kayo, okay, proceed po tayo sa redeem achievement code. Okay. Then after po naka-press tayo sa redeem achievement code, ayan, type po natin. Okay, for a while po, mag share screen lang.
It have lessons about the structure of the research, it deals with the basic principles and processes of study in theology and structure of basics pa lang sa biology, very important na defense. And then about the science of evolution, discussing our lifestyle is the most essential learning competencies. I believe that in this time of pandemic, the human education is what the previous reporter said, ang ginagamit natin got the attention of the teacher, but must give proper recognition to the participant. What's your mega claim is very important. Very this activity help teachers to let their students know what is fake news and right news to manipulate